Okay, today we're going to be talking about city dispatch. So to start off with, if we're going to be doing city dispatch and let's say we're picking everything up and we're bringing it into our shop here for locally, we just need to make sure that we are have a dock behavior here on our client. Okay, so just to start off with, let's just say we are looking at all our shipments that are ready. We can sort and filter however we want on here, or we can just say, hey, everything that we're just going to be going into the city of Isanti today, working around there, doing a lot of pickups, and I'm just going to type in ISAN. There we go. So there's everything is Isanti, and we can filter off of that. Delivery time, shipment times, you know, we can do another sort on that as well. The next thing is if we're going into creating a load. So creating a load, we can just go ahead and drag and drop what we want over. Also, we have our filtration system right here, so we can filter on whatever we want. And these are custom filters. So if I go ahead and let's say I add a zone, I could add a zip code, a prefix, however many states as I want, and I just name it. Okay. And so once I do that, let's just say, well, right here we have all states. But I could say Minnesota, Iowa. That's my filter. Just simply type that in there, and I just filtered on that as well. So it's filtering, organizing, sorting, a lot of different ways we can look at this. So once we go ahead and do that, if I go ahead and click on continue, the next thing is, depending on how we have this set up, right now we have it set up to where I'm looking at pick, drop, pick, drop, pick, drop. But if I go into my settings, I could go ahead and change that, and I can have it automatically have it so it'll look at all picks and then all drops. So let me go ahead and just change this real quick right now to where we're looking at all picks right here. And now over here we're going to go ahead and look at just our drops. Okay, so now that they look like they're all picks are in order, really the only thing we have to do is just make sure that we're just bringing them all into our shop. So just click on crossdock, hit B, go ahead and type in Big Blue, and we're going to go ahead and save that. Okay, now that we went ahead and changed these all to Big Blue, we can go ahead and click on our resources, and then we can go ahead and put in our drivers. So I'm going to put in Jake, and he's already set up with the default tractor trailer. We can change that at any time we want. And we'll go ahead and continue the load. Okay, so if we look at this, here's our current load right here. You'll notice these are shippers, and what you'll notice is these are all our picks and all our drops. We're dropping all to the same place. Okay, so we're just going to go around and we'll go ahead and dispatch it first, and we'll go ahead and we can do arrive at shipper, depart at shipper, arrive quantity, and so we're just going to go ahead and arrive here. Looks like we're a little late. We'll set a reason why we're late on here, and we're going to go ahead and depart. Again, same thing, and we just go through the process. Hey, you know what? We arrived here, and we went ahead and departed. Now, if you don't want to go through this and you would rather just save some time instead of saying all the times that you've arrived and all the times that you've departed, you can just simply go all the way down here and just say departed, or you can go ahead and you can just have it one stop to where you'd finish them all at once. But I'm assuming that you'd want to go ahead and look at this. Also, another thing too, just to look at, is if you happen to have a mobile comm such as Fleetmatics or Qualcomm people or something like that, you'd be able to see the times and location when they did anything, as well as you'd be able to look at each one of your stops and what they've done. Okay, so I hope this was informative to you. And the last thing I want to do is I want to go back here, and I just want to go to, we're going to go back here, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like here once this is done. Okay, you went ahead and did all your picks, and then you're going to go ahead and arrive in your dock. Okay, and depending on where you're going to be putting your load will dictate on what you want to do. If you want to dock them all at one place, or you want to dock it at maybe different doors, depending on how you want to do that. but I'm just going to go ahead and dock them all together. Okay. And I'm going to hit dock right here. And you'll notice the ones that we have right here for this driver are now complete. A couple things that we can look at right now too is if we go back over here to add and create a new load, you'll notice these actually have a D on it right here, which stands for docked, and these all have been now docked and they're ready for delivery. I hope this has been informative for you.